Are you ready to explore? Discover your inner champion. Explore Champion.
Good morning everyone, I'm Ovia. We are Team KlikSelamat. Scams have become a national crisis in Malaysia. In 2025 alone, Malaysians lost more than RM1 billion in online fraudsters. Every day, people receive fake links promising free gifts, high return or urgent delivery updates. Even worse, AI-prompt, deepfake scams and voice cloning are now raising rapidly. Our parents, grandparents, students and working adults are all at risk. This is not just about money, it's about trust, safety and peace of mind. That's exactly why we created KlikSelamat.
Hi, I'm Strategist. KlikSelamat is a powerful intelligent safety link scanner designed to protect players from harmful links in real time. It's super simple to use. Just forward any suspicious link or paste it into the app and KlikSelamat will scan it within seconds and clearly tell you safe, suspicious or dangerous. Think of it as your personal 24/7 cybersecurity bodyguards, always ready to protect you before you click.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you.
Hi, I'm Hindran. Powered by advanced AI and concurrency update scan database, KlikSelamat can defend various types of threats including phishing link, fake incitement scam, delivery frauds, romance scam, and even the latest AI event scam detectors. Create trending feature included one-tap WhatsApp and SMS out scanning, voice warning alert in Bahasa Melayu and English, real-time trending scam alert, scam address hub with simple explanation and example, communities reporting some so system some so when one person report a new scam, everyone get protected instantly.
Hi, I'm Shobna. What makes KlikSelamat truly outstanding is its perfect balance of powerful technology and extreme simplicity. We made it so easy that even elderly users can check any link safely with just one tap. No complicated steps or instructions needed. Unlike other tools that only react after the scam happens, KlikSelamat prevents the danger before you click. It stops financial loss and data theft before it starts. We combine cutting-edge AI with real-time Malaysian scam intelligence, making it one of the most relevant and effective protection apps in Malaysia today.
Why KlikSelamat wins? No existing Malaysian apps combines real-time AI link scanning, voice interaction in Bahasa Melayu, family-level protection, gamify education, and community threat intelligence in one tool. KlikSelamat doesn't just detect scams, it builds a culture of digital safety, starting with the most vulnerable, the elderly and students. Imagine a Malaysia where thousands of people are safely protected every single day from financial loss and emotional heartbreak. Students can study without fear, parents can shop online safely, and grandparents can use WhatsApp without worry. KlikSelamat is more than just an app. This is a much needed movement for digital safety in this new age of AI scams. KlikSelamat, click safe, stay safe. Thank you very much. We are very excited to show you a live demo how KlikSelamat catches dangerous scam links in real time.
Link ini selamat. Skor keselamatan 96%. Anda boleh klik dengan selamat. Amaran. Link ini mencurigakan.
Parents சொல்ல இப்போ பண்ண 2:30 மணிக்கு ஓகே 2:30 மனோரமா 2:30 படி போயிடலாம்.
Jangan klik pautan ini. Sila laporkan kepada polis sibel dengan segera.